First, you want to remove your current outfitting. Uninstall your current back band. Remove all 3 quick release tabs, buckles located on the back band. Remove the back band webbing from the plastic ratchet strap and extract from the access holes. Then repeat for the opposite side. Uninstall current hip pads. Pull the webbing straps from the buckles on the back side of the seat towers. Remove from the slots in the seat and repeat for the opposite side. Then you want to uninstall your current seat pad. Reach under the back of either side of the seat and locate the Velcro tab. Pull this tab free, working each corner of the pad until all the Velcro tabs are free. Uninstall your current thigh pads. Remove the screws on both the inside wing and the outside cockpit rim. Note that the slider nut plate and the outside cockpit screw will fall out of the thigh brace. Keep track of these as well as the screws. They will be used again. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the plastic push rivets on the thigh pad. Remove the pad, sliding the thigh brace out of the large opening. Repeat for the opposite side. To install your new seat pad, center the new pad in the seat area. Secure the Velcro tabs located at the front and rear of the pad to the strips mounted to the underside of the seat. Install the new hip pads. The pads are labeled left and right and should be secured so the buckles are toward the stern of the boat. Thread the straps through the slots in the front edge of the seat towers, exiting the slots on the rear edge. Secure the hip pad strap through the buckles. To install your new back band, thread the back band webbing strap with the wire lead down through the bowmost hole in the cockpit rim, either side of the cockpit. Pull the wire, still attached to the strap, back up through the sternmost hole using the needle nose pliers. Thread the strap through the new back band. Thread the strap down through the sternmost hole on the other side of the cockpit. Pull the strap up through the bowmost hole using the needle nose pliers and snip the wire lead from the webbing strap. Snap the 3 quick release buckles behind the back band to secure. Thread both ends of the webbing through the plastic ratchet straps. To install your new thigh pads, slide the new thigh pad onto the thigh brace using the large slit in the thigh pad. Adjust so the front mounting holes and slot are visible through the openings in the pad. Secure the pad to the thigh brace using a new plastic push rivet. Next, place the square slider nut plate inside the long track from the bottom side of the thigh brace and fasten with the outside cockpit screw. Install previous screw at the cockpit wing. Repeat for the opposite side. Make sure all parts are present and secure.